Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. In this session, we are going to do some backward bending postures. To begin with, some preliminary postures. Lie on your back, fold both legs, heel closer to the hips. Allow the complete back muscles to rest on the mat. Stretch both arms up. As we inhale, the abdominal cavity should smoothly, gently expand, and as we exhale, it should contract. Feel the back muscles also as we inhale and exhale. The back muscles also respond to the breathing. Breathe consciously. Rise your right leg up. Stretch the heel. Pull the kneecap. Tighten the quadriceps. Stay connected with your breath. Toes towards the knee. Fold down. Left leg up. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Feel the stretch in the calf muscle and the hamstring muscles, back of the thigh. Also feel the region of the hip and the lower back. Breathing should be slow, steady, rather deep. Neck at the center, chin towards the chest. Keep the left leg down, right leg up. This posture is very useful for the muscles of the lower extremities, both the thigh and the legs. Fold down. Left leg up. Back of the thigh, that is the hamstring muscles, as well as the quadricep muscles, front of the thigh. They have a very influential role on the health of the lower back. So these stretches will help to tone these muscles. Flex the left leg, keep the left foot down, right leg up, fold from both hands, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. Stretch the heel. Tighten the hamstring muscles on both the legs, that is the back of the thigh, so that the inner corners of the knee are effectively engaged. Breathe consciously. Draw the knee as close to the chest as possible. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up. Fold. Hold the knee. Press the knee closer to the chest. This simple movement helps the gluteal minimus and medius muscles. Also helps the lower back muscles. Release left leg. One more time. Right leg up. Fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. Do not change the axis of the right leg. So when you pull the right knee, it should not go to the side of the trunk. Watch your breathing. Good breathing in this posture also helps the abdominal organs. Release right leg, chain. Left leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. Feel the abdominal region all around. Watch your breathing. Watch even the posterior surface as we inhale and exhale. Release left leg. Right leg up, fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel across the left thigh, push the right knee. Tighten the hamstring muscles at the back of the thigh on both the legs. As we inhale, feel the base of the spine. This posture is good for the sacroiliac joint. Also helps the knee joint. Release right leg, chain, left leg. Left leg up, fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel across the right thigh, taking the heel closer to the root of the thigh. From left hand, push the knee, tighten the inner corners of both the knee. Feel the base of the spine. For that you have to breathe slowly, steadily. Release left leg. One more time. Right leg up. Fold, hold the ankle joint from left hand. Pull the heel across the left thigh, then push the right knee. In all these postures, breathing is very important. That is, you have to breathe consciously. As we inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. And as we contract and with exhalation and expand with inhalation, feel even the posterior region. Release right leg. Left leg one more time. Rise, fold, hold the ankle joint from right hand. Pull it across. Then push the knee. Be present. Be attentive. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull From right hand, push the knee across the chest. This is a good stretch for the gluteal maximus muscle, which is one of the major muscles of our body. Even here, work on your hamstrings. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up, fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull from left hand, push the knee across the chest. But ensure that the pelvic rim does not rotate off the ground. Watch your breathing. Feel the posture. Release left leg. One more time. Right leg up. Fold from left hand. Hold the ankle joint. Pull from right hand. Press the knee across the chest. All these postures help the core muscles of the body so that other movements can be safely done. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up. Fold from right hand. Hold the ankle joint. Pull from left hand. Push the knee across the chest. The core muscles around the lumbar, pelvis and hip complex, they are very important, and these set of movements provide a very good warm up for all these muscles. And you must always be watchful of the action and the breathing. Release left leg. Stretch your left leg. Slowly roll onto the right sides. Get up. Sit upright in cross-legged posture, Swastikasana. Sit on a blanket, hips on the blanket, foot on the mat. Inhale, exhale, turn to your right side. From left hand, lock the right knee, right hand fingertips on the floor and keep on turning. Every inhalation, stretch the spine up. Every exhalation, twist the spine. The left wrist and knee you should grip. Slowly come up, chain. From right hand, grip the left knee, press the left hand, fingertips on the floor, and turn. With every inhalation you should stretch the spine up, with every exhalation you should twist the spine. Turn the neck also in the direction of rotation of the trunk. This twisting posture helps to remove the stiffness, especially in the lower back. Slowly come up. and our chest. Stretch the toes back. Rest the forehead on the mat. Keep both the palm by the side of the forehead. Press the palm, middle finger pointing forward. Stretch the toes back. Tighten the calf muscle. Press the palm. Inhale. As you exhale, rise the trunk up. Straighten the arms. Well open the chest. Bend back. Look up. Feel the complete spinal column. Feel the stretch in the abdomen, chest and the pelvis. Stretch the toes. Tighten the calf muscle. Both arms straight. Press the palm. Spread the fingers. Feel the pressure on the palm. Lift the neck and look up. Do not hold the breath. Breathe well. Feel the stretch. Slowly come down. One more time. Press the palms, straighten the arms, inhale, exhale, rise the trunk, bend back. You have to press the palm, feel the pressure on the palm. Feel your wrist, elbow. Work on the upper arms of the muscles. Open the chest. Lift the neck, look up. Breathe as naturally as possible. This is a good backward bend, helps the complete spinal column. Position of the palm gives that sectional or graded backward bend. So we are starting with this position by the side of the foreheads. As you exhale, slowly come down. Keep both the palm by the side of the and below the shoulder joints. Middle finger pointing forward. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, rise the trunk, straightening the arms. Open the shoulders, chest and navel up. Lift the neck up, bend back, look up. Now watch the pressure on the palm, the wrist, elbow, shoulder, as well as the effect of the change in position of the palm on the backward bend. Tighten the buttocks, squeeze the calf muscle, stretch the toes back. So you must be present in the complete posture. Well open the chest. Relax your tongue, nose, throat and the jaws. Feel the stretch in the pelvis, abdomen, chest. All the muscles and organs there, they also get a good stretch. As you exhale, slowly come down. Middle finger should point forward. You must press the palm. One more time. Inhale, exhale, rise. Well, open the chest. Look up, bend back. The backward bends help the complete spinal column. All the vertebrae there and the associated muscles and ligaments, they all get a good benefit in this posture. The organs in the pelvis, abdomen and chest, they also get a good stretch. Arms and legs also stand to benefit. One must also learn to stay for some duration in all these postures. And when you stay, ensure that your breathing is not perturbed. As you exhale, slowly come down. Relax the forehead on the mat. Keep both the palms by the side of the rib cage. Middle finger pointing forward, spread the fingers, press the palm. Note the position. Palm by the side of the rib cage. Now inhale, exhale, rise, straighten the arms, rise the trunk, well open the shoulders, look up. Now watch the backward bend. Watch your lower back, upper back. Press the palm. Watch the pressure on the palm, wrist, elbow, shoulders. Backward bend at the complete spinal column. The cervical spine, the thoracic, lumbar, sacrum and the coccyx. They all get a very rejuvenating movement. The buttocks, thighs, and especially the calf muscle. You should tighten the calf muscle and stretch the toes back. So be present throughout the posture and get connected with your breath. As you exhale, slowly come down. Rest the forehead. So that kind of involvement is essential in any yogasana or yogic posture. One more time. Inhale, exhale, rise. Well open the chest and look up. Learn to stay in the posture and breathe as normally, naturally as possible. Do not hold the breath. As you exhale, slowly come down, rest the forehead. Now keep both the palm by the side of the waistline, as down as possible. You should move the palm, middle finger still pointing forward. Inhale, exhale, rise. Arms straight. Well, open the chest. Lift the neck up the clavicle. Look up. Open the shoulders. Squeeze the buttocks. Tighten the calf muscles. Stretch the toes. This is a very good backward bend, and it is good to do in this graded manner so that all the muscles, ligaments, they are systematically toned. As we exhale, slowly come down. All these are variations of the so-called Bhujangasana. One more time. Inhale, exhale, rise the trunk, straighten the arms, well open the chest, stretch the navel and the chest, look up. Watch also the pressure on the palm. You must generate that good pressure, experience that pressure on the base of the palm. No gap between the palm and the mat. So that will also help to give a good pressure for all the reflexology points on the palm. As you exhale, slowly come down. Relax the arms. Rest the forehead. Slowly get up. Sit on your heel. Sit upright. Lie on your back. Fold the legs, taking the heel closer to the hips. Stretch both arms up. Neck at the center, chin towards the chest. Press the foot. As we inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. As we exhale, rise the hips up. Shoulders on the mat. Press the foot. Lift the hip. Push the tailbone towards the chest. Stay with good breathing. This backward bending also helps to tone the connection between the hamstring and the lower back. Slowly come down. Watch your breathing, watch the lower back. Inhale as you exhale, rise the hips up. You have to press the foot, rise the hips, push the tailbone towards the chest, chest to the chin. Breathe comfortably. Hold the posture for at least 20 seconds. Slowly come down. Take both arms to the sides of the trunk. From both the hands, hold the ankle joint. You have to take the foot a little closer. Right ankle from right hand, left ankle from left hand. Grip them. Inhale, exhale, rise. The hips up. Shoulders on the mat. Well open the chest. Press the foot. Push the tailbone towards the chest. Chest to the chin. This is also an excellent backward bend, which also tones the connection between the hamstring and the lower back. Slowly come down. Watch your lower back. One more time, hold the ankle joints. Ensure that the foot remain parallel to one another. That is, the inner edges should be parallel, separated by about 6 to 8 inches. Press the foot, inhale, exhale, rise. Do not hold the breath. Watch your breathing. This is also good for your shoulders, knee and the foot. Slowly come down. Be relaxed. Left leg forward. Slowly get up from right side. Sit in Swastikasana. Take a folded blanket. Knee on the blanket. Sit on your heel. Sit upright. Sit on your heel, knee 6 to 8 inches apart, foot 6 to 8 inches apart, but all running parallel. Both hands on the waistline. Inhale, exhale, bend back. Slowly bend as we exhale. Bend as much as possible. Then release the hands and hold the heel. Well open the chest, push the tailbone forward, relax the neck muscles. Ustrasana. Well open the chest, breathe properly. Slowly come up. Join the heel and knee, sit on your heel. Ustrasana gives you a very good backward bend all the way from tailbone to the cervical spine. One more time, kneel down, knee and foot 6 to 8 inches apart, both hands on the waistline, elbows closer, inhale, exhale, bend back. Release the hands, hold the heel, open the chest, push the tailbone forward. Breathe well. Watch the stretch in the pelvis, abdomen and the chest. Also helps the muscles of the chest. Complete thoracic region gets a rejuvenating effect. Slowly come up. Join the knee and heel, sit on the heel. Take out the blanket, lie on your back on the mat. Fold both legs, heel closer to the hips. Be aware of your breathing. Take both palms up, press the palms by the side of the head, lift the neck up, rest the head, then take the hands back, lock the fingers behind the head, press the elbow, lift the head, rise the heel, walk in, then press the foot. Neck should be relaxed. Well, open the chest. Watch your breathing. Then slowly take the legs forward and descend. Relax. Relax your breathing. Relax the complete back. One more time, rise both arms over the head, press the palm by the side of the head, lift the head, rest the head, take both the hands at the back, interlock the fingers, press the elbows, then walk in from the foot, press the foot. Open the chest completely. Neck should be completely free. Slowly take the foot forward and come down. Relax the complete back, relax your breathing. Slowly get up. Take the blanket and spread it on the mat. This blanket is double folded. So this is just to get a measure of the amount of backward bend in what we are going to do next, called the Urdhva Dhanurasana. The width is now approximately about 2.5 feet. Lie your back on the mat. Fold both the legs, foot closer to the hips, foot parallel to one another, separated by about 6 to 8 inches. Raise both arms overhead, press the palm by the side of the head, lift the head. The middle finger should touch the edge of the blanket. Then raise the heel, walk inside so that the heels touch the other edge of the blanket. And then push the chest so that arms become perpendicular to the floor. Arms should not be inclined. And chest also gets a very good stretch. So you have to push the chest. Breathe at ease. Slowly take the foot forward, flex the elbow, come down. Relax your breathing, relax your back. The blanket gives a measure of your backward bend. One more time, stretch both arms up. Flex the elbows, press the palm by the side of the head, lift the head, keep the head on the blanket, position the palm properly, middle finger touching the edge of the blanket, then straighten the arm, lift the trunk up, heel up, walk inside so that the heels touch the other edge of the blanket, then from the legs push the chest so that arms are perpendicular to the floor. Breathe well. Feel the stretch in the chest, abdomen and the pelvis. Excellent backward bend for the muscles and organs of the trunk. Also helps the arms. Walk forward, slowly come down. Relax the back on the mat. Slowly get up from the right side. If you can do this with ease, then you can reduce the width of the mat. You can do a 3-fold, reducing the gap to about 1.5 to 2 feet. Little less than the previous measure. Fold the blanket properly. Lie on your back. So that the shoulders are at the edge of the blanket. Fold the legs, heel closer to the hips, foot parallel 6 inches apart. Raise both the palms up, press the palm by the side of the head. Keep the head on the blanket, position the palms, middle finger pointing or touching the edge of the blanket. Rise up, walk inside from the toes. Press the heel on the other edge of the blanket. Push the chest so that arms and chest are perpendicular to the floor. And then breathe as normally as possible. Do not hold the breath. In all the postures, you must learn to have a very relaxed, comfortable breathing. You should not grasp for the breath. Slowly take the foot forward, flex the elbow, come down. Ensure that you are connected properly with your back muscles. That is, you should keep feeling those muscles as you inhale and exhale. Repeat. Hold the hands, press the palm, middle finger touching the edge of the blanket, straighten the arms, heel up, walk inside from the toes. You should reach the other edge of the blanket from your heel. Neck relaxed. Feel the intense stretch in the chest and the abdomen. The complete shoulder complex also gets a good benefit. Walk forward, flex the elbows slowly, come down and relax. Get up from the right side. If this width is comfortably attainable, then you can further reduce by making a quadrifold. Distance is approximately about 1 to 1.5 foot. If these are difficult in the beginning, one can be contented with what he or she can do. Lie on your back, rise both arms up, fold the legs, foot on the floor, parallel, separated by about 8 to 10 inches, heel closer to the hip, flex the elbow, press the palm by the side of the head, middle finger touching the edge of the blanket, rest the head on the blanket, rise up, straighten the arms, straighten the legs, heel up, walk inside and press the heel on the other edge of the blanket. Arms straight and perpendicular to the ground. Watch your breathing, watch the posture, then slowly take the foot forward and descend down. One more time, both arms up, flex the palm, press the palm by the side of the head, lift the trunk and head, rest the head, position the palms properly, middle finger touching the edge of the blanket, rise up, rise the heel, walk inside slowly, steadily, step on the other edge of the blanket, push the chest so that arms and chest are perpendicular to the floor. Knee closer, do not spread the knee. Feel the intense backward bend. Slowly take the foot forward, descend. Relax the back, Slowly get up from the right side. Take out the blanket and just lay your back on the mat. Fold the legs, heel closer to the hips. Relax the arms also. Rise your right leg up. Fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. This is to relax the lower back muscles. As you inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Release right leg, chain, left leg. Fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. These simple movements help the lower back to soothe a lot. Release left leg. One more time. Right leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. Proper breathing helps in soothing these muscles quicker and better. Release right leg, chain, left leg. Fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. Release left leg. Rise both legs up. Fold, hold the knee. Very gently press the knee. Don't be too hard. Be gentle. Stretch both the heels, toes towards the knee. And now watch your breathing. Especially watch the posterior surface, the so-called thoracolumbar fascia. As you inhale and exhale, the thick skin around the lower back and upper back, that also responds. Just watch that. And as you exhale, contract the abdominal muscles. So folding the legs like this gives a very mild passive stretch to the lower back muscles also, and good breathing imparts a very nice soothing massaging effect, thus helping the lower back system to relax. Release both legs. Slowly get up from the right side. Fold the blanket. Hips on the blanket, hips at a height. Legs on the mat. This helps to sit upright. Turn to your right side. Don't turn with too much of a force. It should be very gentle. Left hand to the right knee, right hand fingertips on the floor. Just give a very mild twist. More importantly, you should use your breathing to nicely massage. A gentle twist. Slowly come up. Chain. Turn to your left side. Right hand to the left knee, left hand fingertips on the floor. Keep the spine upright and gently twist. Slowly come up, sit upright, palm should face upwards, have complete musculoskeletal awareness, especially watch the complete length and breadth of the spinal column. Namaste.